SBA Publications.
Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope that you're doing very nice and you are practicing very well at your homes. Today, we are going to start our next chapter, that is our chapter number 11 of English Grammar. And the name of our chapter is Present Continuous Tense. In the last video, we did present indefinite or simple present tense. In this video, we are going to learn present continuous tense. So, without any further ado, let's start. Read the following sentences. The children are flying kites. The teacher is teaching the students. I am washing my car. So, is there anything common in these sentences? Let's see. In these sentences, the words in color are verbs and they tell us about actions that are going on at the time of speaking. So that means at this time when the speaker is speaking, the action is going on. Okay? That means the present continuous tense is used to express an action that is taking place at the time of speaking. That is happening right now. Okay? Let's see what is the structure of the sentences. First one is the declarative or positive sentence. How do we form it? First, we put our subject, and after that, we will put our helping verb, that is am. You have to remember these three, they are the forms of be verb, okay? And they are being used as helping verbs in these sentences. After that, we put our main verb with the ing form. Okay, in continuous sentences, any of them, let it be past, present, or future. If we are studying about continuous tense, you have to remember that we have to put ing after the main verb or with the main verb. Okay, after that, we put the rest of the words. So, this is how the subject I sentence is formed. After that, we see he, she, it, or any other singular noun. With it, we use is as our helping verb. Okay. After that, we put our main verb again with ing and then the rest of the words. So, these were the singular ones. Now, we will look at the plural subjects, that is, we, you, they, or any other plural noun. So, one thing we have to keep in mind that only in continuous tense we have separated I from this group. Otherwise, I will remain in this group with we, you, they, or any other plural noun. With these, we will add are as our helping verb, then our main verb with ing, and the rest of the sentence will follow. So, this is how we make our declarative or positive sentences. Next, we have negative sentences. Now, in this, we do not make any specific change. We just add a not after our helping verb. Okay, you have to add a not right after your helping verb. Okay, so this is how we make our sentence: subject plus helping verb plus not plus verb in its ing form and then the rest of the sentence or the object. So this is how we form our negative sentences. Now we have interrogative sentence. So in interrogative sentence, the structure slightly changes. How? The helping verb is not after the subject, but it starts the sentence. It's before the subject. So we will start from the helping verb itself. Am, then we will put our subject I, then our main verb playing with the ball. And don't forget to put a question mark in the end of interrogative sentence. So, am I playing with a ball? And if we change the subject, it will become is he playing with a ball? Or is she playing with the ball? Or is Rahul playing with the ball? So any singular subject. Then we have plural with which we use are. Are we playing with the ball? Are you playing with the ball? Are they playing with the ball? Or any other plural noun. Okay. So this is how we have learned to make three types of sentences in present continuous tense. That is declarative sentence, negative sentence, and our interrogative sentence. Now we have the uses of present continuous tense. So when do we use it? How do we use it? We use the present continuous tense first to talk about actions that are happening at the moment. Something that is happening at the moment. When we are talking about it, we will talk in the present continuous tense. Okay? The structure will be of this tense. We are learning our lesson now. Okay? She is eating food. The thing is happening right now. Or we use it to talk about activities that continue only for a limited time. That continues for a limited time. Okay? I am going to Mumbai for a week. I'm going to Mumbai for a week. Okay? She is staying with her aunt for some days. So this process continues for some time. Not in the moment, but it will continue for a moment of time. Okay? So that will also be in this way. To talk about future plans. When we are talking about future plans, sometimes we tend to use present continuous tense. How? I am meeting my principal tomorrow. Okay? We are going to buy a car soon. So, mostly these sentence when you're using present continuous, it follows the pattern of going to. But sometimes we use other verbs as well. Now, let us see what are the points that you have to remember. When we add ing to the verb, sometimes there is no other changes needed in the spelling. So sometimes we don't have to change anything, just add ing to the verb, like eating, going, raining, opening. So there is not a slight change in the verb itself. Often, when a verb ends in E, we replace the E with ing. But when the word verb is ending with letter E, we will remove the E. For example, drive, it becomes driving, E is removed. Dance, dancing, E is removed. Increase, increasing. Take, taking. Same way, okay? Now, when a verb ends IE, the IE changes to Y. We add ing. For example, die. So IE ending verb, it becomes dying. We remove the IE and put a Y. Die, tying. Lie, lying. The same way, these two are also done. For some verbs that end in a consonant, the last letter is repeated and ing is added. Okay, so the verbs that end in a consonant, but not every verb. The CVC verbs. That means consonant, verb, consonant. You can see here. Okay, consonant, verb, vowel, sorry, consonant. Consonant, vowel, consonant. So these words are called CVC words. And before putting ing in the end of them, we just repeat the last consonant. Put becomes putting. Travel becomes traveling. Double L. Begin becomes beginning. Double N. Okay? Now you have to do this exercise on the basis of this very easy chapter that we just discussed. So that's it for today. Now you have to learn this uh, formation of the sentence, you have to learn the structure of the sentences, and then you have to practice these. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video with another interesting chapter. Till then, keep on learning. Bye bye.